Okay, I would like to know where you're watching from. The session has started already. The session has started already. Do well to tell your friends, invite your friends, get your friends on board. Let them join us right now and then. The session has started. Okay. Awesome. So today is yet another day, to analyze the market and discover opportunities in the market. So today we'll be doing a live trading session. So first thing first, we start from the monthly time frame. Okay? If you are joining us, let me know where you are joining us from. Nigeria, Ghana, South Africa, wherever you are joining us from, let me know in the comment section. It is very, very important. It is very, very important. Okay. Let me know where you are joining us from in the comment section. Let me know where you are joining us from in the comment section. So today we'll be analyzing the market using the top to bottom approach. All right. Let me put it here. I call it the top to bottom approach, and it can also be called multiple time frame analysis. So top to bottom approach with multiple time frame analysis. Okay. Okay, so here is the monthly time frame. All right, we're currently on the monthly time frame, and the first thing first we need to do is create map out levels of support and resistance. All right, supply zones and demand zones. All right. Okay, so here is our supply zone. You can also call it resistance zone. Okay, here is our supply zone. We can also call it resistance zone. Okay, and here is our demand zone, also known as support level. Also known as support level. Okay. Now this is to tell us that when price, you see this level where price came to touch consistently and could not break out from it, because this level keeps pushing price back up. All right, this level is known as demand zone, because at every point that price comes to touch this level, it buys. At every point that price comes to touch this level, it buys. All right, and that makes it what? A support zone. All right, we also call it a demand zone. All right, now we can see that price finally broke out from this level. Okay, now there's an interesting thing I would like to explain to us here that we need to take cognizance of. Okay, now the moment you start trading, or you before you start trading and analyzing the market, when you look at your trade and you see that, when you look at the market and you see that price is consistently touching a particular level, okay, understand that the more price touches that level, the weaker the level becomes. I need somebody to type it on the comment section if you understand what I just said now. The more price touches a particular level, the weaker the level becomes. The more price touches a particular level, the weaker the level becomes. The more price touches a particular level, the weaker the level becomes. As you can see it here, the more price touches a particular level, the weaker the level becomes. All right, and that's why you see that when price came, touch it for the first time, price created what I call a footprint. Okay, price came again, touches it the second time, created another footprint. Okay, price came again, touched it the third time, created another footprint. Okay, and the fourth time price comes to touch that level, it broke through that level. Why did it break through that level? Because that level has become weaker. Okay, the more price consistently touches a particular level, the weaker the level becomes. So it's more like slamming an hammer on a particular level. All right, that level becomes weak and weak and weak and weak until that level is not strong enough to hold it any longer. All right, so when you slam an hammer on a particular surface, okay, on a particular wall, and you keep slamming the hammer, you keep slamming the hammer, at some point what happens? What does the wall start doing? The wall starts cracking, the wall starts giving way for the hammer to penetrate into it. All right, and that is something that played out here. We saw price coming to slam this level, come here to slam the level the second time, came to slam the level the third time, the fourth time it fell. All right, and we can see after price fell here, you see it's ranged there, went up. Now that same level now has now become a support zone. Can you see the interesting thing there? There is something you need to understand, that this level that was previously, a support zone, all right, is now what? A resistance zone. And we could see how it obviously resisted price. Okay, we see how it obviously resisted price here. We see how it obviously resisted price here likewise. All right, and price now went up, came down here, went up, came down, broke through this level. Because if you observe clearly, you discover that another resistance, another support zone built up at this level. All right, this level built up another support zone. Okay, this level built up another support zone. All right, and we can see how price rallied down after a breakout from this level. Okay, after a breakout from this level, we can see how price rallied down to this level. All right, now price is coming up to this particular level. Now it's a question of what happens next. Now we've been able to spot that, you know, yeah, this level here is a resistance zone. Okay, and it pushed price down. Price got to this level, which is a support zone. Okay, we can see another support zone here. Okay, price tried to hold support. You can see this support, you know, price tried to hold for so long at that support zone. Okay, but the support zone broke out at the third, you know, at the third touch. So this was a first price footprint, second price footprint, third price footprint, fourth price footprint. And the next time when price is coming there, all right, we saw that price broke out finally. Now let's check this in the line chart and see. So you good. So you can see that this zone encompasses like a support zone. Okay, a support zone that holds price. All right, a support zone that holds price. So price came down here, could not break out downward, went back up, came down again, could not break out, went back up, and finally came here and broke out. All right, and now let's go back to the candle chart. Now after some months, price started pulling up. Okay, up until this level. Now look at the last month candle on euro USD. The last month candle on euro USD, what can you see here? What do we call this candle? This candle, let me put it in a box. Good. What can we call this candle? This candle in a box, what can we call it? This candle in a box. I need somebody to type it in the comment section. What do we call that candle in a box? Let me know in the comment section, guys. What do we call that candle in a box? Okay, what do we call that candle in a box? Let me know in the comment section. I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting. Okay, okay, somebody said good. Someone said doji. All right, so this is a what? A doji. Okay, now a doji at a resistance zone, okay, says a lot. A doji at a resistance zone says a lot. So who can tell me what this doji signals? Someone said rejection candle. Good. Thank you very much for engaging. Someone said rejection candle. Another said doji. Yeah, it is a rejection candle. All right. It's doji. Doji are rejection candles that when they appear at a key level like support or resistance zone, they are very critical. All right. So this is a doji here, which closed for last month's, you know, trade last month. All right, now telling us that what this means is that there is a bearish momentum coming in on euro USD. That's what this means. There is a bearish momentum coming in on Euro USD. There is a bearish momentum coming in on Euro USD. Alright, so that is what this is telling us on a monthly time frame, that price is going to drop massively on Doji. Okay, on Euro USD, price is going to drop. It's going to drop massively on the Doji candle. All right, and that's it. So now let's confirm it on a multiple time frame. So we go to the lower time frame to see what is the lower time frame saying about our discovery on the monthly time frame. So let's check out the weekly time frame. What is the weekly time frame saying? Okay, so if we can observe very well on the weekly time frame, let's put this. Okay. Okay. Good. Now on the weekly time frame now, price is currently at what? A resistance zone. All right, and we can see the reaction of what happened in the last 3 weeks. Okay, that price gradually moved down. Okay, price gradually moved down. All right, so when price gradually moved down, now this is telling us something. Okay, now after this breakout at this resistance zone, where you see this in this candle, that this fully bodied candle, all right, of course after every breakout there is 80% chances of a pullback, 80% chances that there is going to be a pullback, and here is what is being experienced there. All right, a pullback was experienced. Okay, however, now the pullback has been consistent for the past 3 weeks. All right, now this has now confirmed the breakout to be a fake breakout. Okay, to be a fake breakout, because if it's not a fake breakout, most likely the first pullback or the second pullback would have would have made price to keep going back up. All right, because pulling back is just like having the trade to breathe a bit and then pick up again. But consistently for the last 3 weeks now, the market has been falling. Now let's look at it on the daily time frame. Good. So if you observe that on the daily time frame now, price broke back into that support level. Okay, so we see that price came up here, came back, came up here, came back, came up here, and broke out of this level. All right, when price finally broke out of this level, okay, then price met the rejection. Okay, you can see the rejection represented here. All right, then price met with the rejection. Now that price met the rejection, we saw that price came back and broke back into that resistance zone. that resistance zone. Yeah, now price broke back into the resistance zone. All right, and we can see the from our chart here. Okay, we can see from our chart here that the candlestick that closed as at yesterday's market closed below the breakout level, closed outside the breakout level. All right, so showing that, let's say price came down here, it went back and closed above it now, maybe creating a kind of a doji. Okay, now we would see that price would pick up easily upward. All right, but now price has broken back into that resistance zone. All right, and today we saw price moved down to this level. All right, and now price is currently slowly going up. Now what does this mean? Okay, from our top to bottom approach, we can see that the price has been giving a sell off signal. All right, it has been giving a sell off signal on both the monthly time frame, the weekly time frame, all right, and currently on the daily time frame. Now let's look at it on the 4 hours time frame. Now why are these time frame important to us? These time frames are important to us because they give us closer view, okay, closer perspective of what is happening in the market. All right, so from what we can see here now, we can see that after the breakout, price came up to this level. Okay, because definitely if you look at price movement, price does not consistently move in a singular direction. All right, price moves in a wave like function. So let me show you something. Let's just trace this together to see how price moves. Now from here, price picked up, went up. When price got here, price relaxed, came down. Price went up a bit, came down here again. Price went up here, then came further down. Then price went up again, then came down, went up again, came down, went up a bit. And what are we expecting price to do now? We're expecting price to come down. Okay, expecting price to come down. So now the market direction is giving us is a sell signal on Euro USD. Okay, because Euro USD now, number one, it has broken below the resistance zone. Okay, and is currently at a resistance zone, meaning that price would barely break out of the resistance zone after breaking into it back. All right, indicating that the previous breakout was a fake breakout. Okay, so and this is part of the reasons why we use multiple time frame analysis. Okay, so when you look at the higher time frames, like the monthly time frame, the weekly time frame, it gives you a broader perspective, okay, of what is going on in the market. All right, so but when you zoom in on lower time frames, it gives you the perspective, a clearer view of what is going on currently in the market, and this is very important. All right, this is very important. So let's look at this on the 1 hour time frame. All right, let's look at this on the 1 hour time frame. So definitely we can see that on the 1 hour time frame, okay, let's just trace price movement here. Price came down to this support zone, moved up, came down to the support zone again, moved up. Okay, Price came after support zone and finally broke out of the support zone. All right, and now price came to retrace. Okay, now what happens after retracement? Okay, price continues in the previous direction it had been. Okay, and that is it. That is it. So on Euro USD, I will be selling Euro USD. Okay, I'll be selling Euro USD. All right, and that is the decision I will be making based on the analysis I've just carried out. All right, because the analysis I just carried out now is pointing us to a direction that what Euro USD is selling off. Okay, pointing us to the direction that Euro USD is selling off. Before I move further, I would like to know if there are any questions. Please do well to ask me in the comment section. If you have any question, I'm open to your question. Do well to ask me in the comment section. I'm waiting. Prior to that time, we have a fantastic celebration ongoing with OctaFX, and we have a big announcement for you, for all our fans and traders who have been trading with us. There's an opportunity for you to join the OctaFX birthday celebration and follow your star tracks. All right, now to celebrate its 12th birthday anniversary, OctaFX is delighted to present to you pleasant surprises. You stand a chance to win iMac, MacBook, PlayStations, and cool prizes. Now, how do you partake in this opportunity? 1. Visit the promotion section in your profile and press participate. Okay? 2. Trade and collect raffle tickets until 14th August. 2 lot size equals 1 ticket. The more you trade, the more tickets you get, and the more your chance of winning. Find out if you are one of the lucky winners, if you're one of the 48 lucky winners on the 22nd of August on our official YouTube channel. You should participate in this. This is a big opportunity. OctaFX is celebrating its 12th year anniversary, and this is an opportunity for you to win iMac, MacBook, and many other comic prizes. Don't miss out from this. Visit your promotional section, go to your profile and press participate. Trade and collect raffle tickets until 14th of August. Now, important thing is this: 2 lot size is equal to 1 ticket. So the more lot size you trade, the more tickets you get, the more money and the more chance you stand to win. All right, so yeah, back to what we're saying. If you have any question, do how to drop it in the comment section like I said. Okay, any question? Okay, so we would like to analyze the GBP USD market. The GBP USD market. All right. So for the GBP USD market, we start with the monthly time frame. Okay. Let me know if you are following in the comment section. Before I proceed, I would like to know if you are following. If you are following, let me know in the comment section. If you are following, let me know in the comment section. All right. If you're following, let me know in the comment section. If you are following, use the comment section and communicate. If you are following. Okay. Okay, I can see the legend said I'm following. Yeah, please, what's your question? Your question, it says, please, it said, sir, tell us how to day trade. And that is exactly what I've been doing. Okay, that is exactly what I've been doing. You use multiple time frame analysis. Okay, so that you are trading, that you are day trading doesn't mean you won't use higher time frame. So don't mistake that, oh, higher time frame is strictly for swing trading only. No. All right, you use higher time frame to capture the broader perspective of the market, and you use the lower time frame to capture the clearer perspective of the market, and you get in anytime, any day into your position. All right, I hope I've answered your question. So yeah, of course, you do well to follow me as we learn together on this session. So here is the chart of pounds USD. Okay, here is the chart of pounds USD. So is it possible for NFP news coming up tomorrow to change? Yes, it is very, very possible. The NFT NFP news is, is highly volatile, and it can change the trajectory of the market. So we cannot determine what direction the market will take. You know, out before the news. All right. So yeah, here is monthly time frame, and that's why risk management is also very, very important. Your use of stop loss, trailing stop, and all. Okay, so here is GBP USD, and first map out levels of support and resistance. Map out levels of support and resistance. Map all levels of support and resistance. Okay, yeah, likewise. Okay, so just like what we looked into in the just like what we looked into in the Euro USD market, all right, we can see clearly here. Let me get this. Okay, so if we see clearly here, you see our market has been going up, down, going up, down, going up, down. Likewise here. Okay, so we can see here now that this is like the channel via which the market is going. Okay, and obviously if you look at the movement, you see price go up here, came down, went up here, came down, went up, came down, went up here, came down, went up here. And what do you expect? What is the new next trajectory of the market? Next trajectory is down. Okay, so you see how it has been, except then it now breaks out of this level, and then the market direction changes. All right, but until then, on the monthly time frame, this is the direction it is given. All right, it's given this direction. Okay, so and that is what we can position for, and we can also look forward to. All right, now let's look at this on the lower time frame. Say lower time frame, like weekly time frame. Awesome. So you can see here that on the weekly time frame, we can see here that on the weekly time frame here, it has touched the edge of this trend line. It came down, all right, went up here, touched the edge of this trend line, and what do we expect it to do next? Okay, we expect it to come down, all right, since it has touched the edge of this trend line. Okay, so because market moves in wave-like functions, except anything happens and there is a breakout out of this level, it can definitely change market direction. Okay, so and that is why it is important that you use your risk management like stop loss, and also when you enter a trade, maybe your stop loss will just be up here, so that when market goes against you, you can be stopped out of the market, and prevented from losing more than you can gain, more than you can bear. Okay, so here is it for the weekly time frame. Okay, as you can see, all right, that is what it's saying currently. Okay, it's pointing to the direction. Yeah, it's pointing to this direction. Okay, good. So let's look at the daily time frame. The daily time frame. The daily time frame. The daily time frame. Okay, good. So looking at the daily time frame now, we saw that price had touched this level. Okay, what the weekly time frame, monthly time frame, daily time frame, weekly time frame and monthly time frame are pointing to is that the market still has more room, to go down. All right. So the next, if you look into this very well, you will see that there are minor support and resistance zones. All right, minor support and resistance zones. Minor supports and resistance zones. Okay, so yes, price will definitely still come down to touch this level. Okay, and most likely if it doesn't hold at this level, it will fall down to this level. But if it holds at this level, then we can see maybe a little rally up before then going down. Okay, and this is our expectation for the next action that Euro pounds USD would take. All right, so let's look at it in the 4 hours time frame. Okay, so in the 4 hours time frame now, okay, Euro US, GBP USD, USD. Okay, so because in the smaller time frame now, we can see that we have minor levels of support and resistance. Okay, we can see that we have minor levels of support and resistance, which definitely means that price can come down to this level, price can come down here, decide to go back up, or price comes down here and decide to fall down to this level. Okay, now we anticipate price fall, all right, from what we've been seeing from our multiple time frame analysis. How do we take advantage of that as a swing a day trader? Is we then look at what is going to happen, most likely happen in the future, and then what is currently happening. The comparison of what is going to happen and what is currently happening will help us to make more informed decision. So from here, we can say that price would would touch this next support level, all right, and then it can either break out further below the support level or go pump back up, into the demand zone. So let's look at it on the 4 hours time frame. Okay, good. When you look at it on the 4 hours time frame, we have a minor resistance level here. Okay, a minor resistance level. So even if price goes up to this level, to say it wants to breathe a bit and goes up here, it will then come down to test this level of support before it moves, before it continues to move. All right. So those are very, very important factors for us to consider. So with regards to our analysis, so for Euro USD, we come to a conclusion from our analysis that Euro USD, we are shorting Euro USD. And for the GBP USD, which is pounds dollar, we will also be shorting the pounds dollar. So if you have any question with regards to the analysis made on Euro USD and USD JPY, please do well to ask in the comment section and I will answer you. I'm waiting for your question. 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 Okay, if you have any question, ask in the comment section. All right. While I wait for your question, we have an interesting announcement for everyone here. And the announcement is double your deposit promo. All right. We are running a promo called double your deposit promo. And the promo code is Tunmise 100. TUNMISE 100. Now, it's an opportunity for you to take advantage of this promo code in just 5 steps. Number 1, open the OctaFX trading app or visit the official website. 2, go to your profile. 3, find the promo code section in the menu. 4, enter the promo code and press active. 5, make a deposit and enjoy your bonus. Thank you for joining us, and yes, don't forget our offer for the birthday celebration of OctaFX. Join the pursuit for an a MacBook, an iMac, and other cosmic prizes. How do you get to win that? You visit the promotion section in your profile and press participate. You trade and collect a raffle ticket until 14th of August. Now, 2 lot size equals 1 ticket. So which means the more lot size you trade, the more tickets you get, the more chances of winning. Find out if you are one of the 48 lucky winners on the 22nd of August on our official channel on YouTube. Okay, we have amazing and enormous package for you. The celebration of OctaFX at 12 and also the promo code offer. Do all to take advantage of this and maximize your wins. So yeah, I'm waiting for your question. If you have any question, please drop it in the comment section. If you said when to enter the trade, what confirmation is required at the resistance level, where to place the stop loss. All right, so where to place the stop loss is